In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Walt Disney stock. My dear friends, this stock has currently broken out from an important resistance level, and along with that there are multiple positive factors which has already been materialized, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock before an upside rally get trigger. We can initiate a buy position before a big upside move resume. My dear friends, if you'll make a closer look over here, this was a tentative top where the stock had started the correction in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got corrected by price wise, and there was a back to back lower lows. If you'll see over here, the first lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows over here, and the last lower lows here. But as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, first time its lower lows shifted to higher highs, and this is a point where the game started to change. This is a point where we got a two major positive signal. The first one is downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side. The second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs, and whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we take that as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and now it's ready for an upside move. And my dear friends, if you'll put an MACD to check the diversion, you will be surprised to know that even the diversion it's showing a positive side. If you'll see the price action tilting on the downside and MACD oscillation tilting on the upper side, and this is an area where we got a breakout, and it's going to give the upside pump to the stock. And finally, my dear friends, if now we will see the chart structure, the most and important, the most important positive structure is, if you'll see, there is a Darvas box pattern breakout above the neckline of $115, and now very soon you will witness the price will be reaching to $120, and that will be the first target, and second target will be $122, and in between there are resistance where this stock may face and rejection, and stock may come down to retest the neckline. And my dear, overall so far we this area of the neckline will act as an important support. Earlier it was in resistance, but now, my dear friends, this neckline will act as an important support. Earlier it was in resistance, now it has turned into an important support because multiple positive factors got action over here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side. This was an area where we have identified the lower lows shifted to higher highs. This was an area where we have witnessed the positive diversion between the price action and MACD oscillation, and this is an area where we have identified the positive chart structure Darvas box pattern trigger on the upper sides. So with due respect to all these positive factors, this area will act as a strong support. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really like my analysis, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks. Bye bye.